intellectual singna puthokhiba academic ki machak sing politics ta sijin-narakpana teaching profession da leiriba sing yamna Cheksin-Ningai oi haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Preofession N Lokendra na phongdorakli wafam masi Manipur University ki VC Court Hall da ngasidagi haukiba numit nini chathagadaba national seminar ama haudoppagi thoramda phongdokhibani Politics and Development Challenges Emerging Issue in Northeast India haibahiramda Pangthokleba National Seminar adu Manipur University ki Department of Political Science na Chandel gi United College ka khutsamnaduna pangthokpani Athoiba mitunglen oina saruk yakiba Preofession N Lokendra na mahaki warol da hai India gi Northeast region asi Leibak asi khaki natana malem gi oina yamna sensitive oiba mafam ama oire maramaduna politics amadi chawkhat thaurangda thengnariba khudong chadaba sing khaknatana leiriba issue sing kupna khanaba tangai fade Guwahati University ki Political Science Department ki Professor Akhil Ranjan Dattana seminar asigi nungi oiba warolda Indiana ning tamba fanglaba matungdagi politics ki ahongba sing Panki, Madugi Manungda, Awang Nong Poklamdamda, Lakiba, Politics ki Ichilgi Matangda, Mahakna Hai, Kumja, Lisingamaga Jamapan, Marifudagi Hona, Identity Amadi Ethnic Politics da Kumang Yang Jangsilakli, Masigaloina na Nationality Politics pu Yamna Maru Oiba Pandam Oina, Kong Tangjinaraki, Adubo Asigumba, Makalgi Politics sing Asigi, Afaba Warishin Amatalaiba Udri, Masigi Maramdi, Leiriba Regional Group sing, Mod Ketnaba, Amadi, Amaga Mateng Pangnaba Watpagini, Asigumba Tawong Asibu, Professor Akhil Ranjan Dattana, Fragmented Regionalism Haiba Term Asi Sizinaduna, Seminar Aduda, Sarukya Kibasingi, Pukning Chingsinki, Mahakna Makatan Hai, Hauzikti, Neoliberal Development Amadi, Hindutba strategy anigi apunba safu marakta awang nong poklamdam gi oina yamna luba tanja ama mayoknari apswagi matang yauna matam amada miyoibagi hak kannanaba ichang thongna thabak Tauramba, CSO sing matamgi irol nungda lupkibagum uriba asisu ekoina kupna nainaba tangai fade haina Professor Akhil Ranjan Dattana phongdoki seminar asigi ngasi ahoba numita technical section ani laiki ahanba technical section da tongan ba college ki associate professor assistant professor amadi research scholar singna paper taret pathoktuna khanaki ani suba technical section da paper taru puthoktuna khanagani
Since these academic products, these intellectual products are the basis on which politics is also being played, it is now very crucial and it has become very important for all of us who are in the teaching profession, in the academic world. Therefore, I would like to appeal to all the learned delegates. Now the time has come for all of us to realize that academics is a very, very serious profession.
We are talking about a different kind of politics, different kind of history and civilization. But there have been no, cooperation and collaboration among the regional outfits. Something is happening in Manipur, something is happening in Mizoram, some other things happening in Nagaland and other places. But there had been little scope or little opportunity or little efforts towards collaboration and cooperation. And it had given rise of what I call fragmented regionalism. And that fragmented regionalism had been one of the important factors for the failure of this identity politics or nationality politics in the region.